Okay, this is going to be interesting. This is I've used one of these before, but this is, I have no idea. There's no instructions with it. I'm going to try and weld these tables. They're at work and they're bust. It looks like it's just tin, but it's quite thick. These are in the food tech area. I'll go find an extension lead for this. I've got some thin rods and hopefully see what happens. So this is the welder. I've never used one like this before. What is it? With no mask, which you have got no choice. Just give it a bash. Told you I'm not the expert on this, but it's doing the job. That'll work. A little bit patchy, but it's a bit thin, but that's what I can do. Whoa! I'm wearing glasses as well, so. Okay. Okay, so the best settings is 96, I think, for these rods. What are they? 2.5. ain't got a clue. I just make things up as I go along. Okay, so I got it at 96. The weld's not bad. It does the job. A little bit pigeony, very pigeony actually. I could go over it again and clean it, but it's just a base of a table. For what that is, it's going to hold. See, not the best. I don't intend to be. So a little bit more practice, and it starts to come right. I haven't done this for years actually. We're starting to get there. You got to remember that this is very thin. So I'm welding a thicker gauge metal to a thinner gauge metal. So you want to start emphasize by putting the weld up top here rather than on here, because it'll just burn through. There we go. If you enjoyed the vid, give it a thumbs up and a like. That would be great. This is a new welder that I've never used before, so I'm quite chuffed. Take care.